Good evening, my friends. Here I am again, and we have this exercise for tonight. The area of the square is 16 square units, and we are required to find the total area of the shaded regions, which are these areas. This one, that one, this one, that one, and that one. And now let us start with the area of the square. This is our square, located at the center of the four circles. Now this is the center of the circle. That is the center of the circle, this one and that one. So from this point to that point is supposed to be equal to from this point to this point. Because from this point to this point, that is the diameter. And to find the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2. So, let us now start with the area of the square. The area of the square is 16 square units. So, this is 16. And that is square, side times side. And then extract the square root of that area. Extract also the square root of the x square. So this is 4. And this is s. Now, as I said earlier, that this point to that point is supposed to be equal to the distance from this point to this point, because this is a circle. So the radius is equal to, this is 4 units from this point to that point. So s over 2 this is 2 units. Now take note that there are 4 shaded hubs in this of these circles. We have 1/2, we have another 1/2, we have another 1/2, we have another 1/2. This means that there are 2 fully shaded circles. Now the area of a circle is pi r square. So we have pi, our r is 2 square, so this is 2 square is 4 times pi is 4 pi. So this is the area of a circle. In this case, the area of the one circle inside the square, because we have here 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. So that is equal to 1 full circle, and the area of that is 4 pi. Now let's go to the area of the shaded regions. The total area of the shaded regions, remember that there are 2 fully shaded circles. So we have 2 pi r square. This is equal to, we will substitute 2 times pi times 2 square. So that would be 2 2 square is 4, so times 4 pi, that would be equal to 2 times 4 is 8 pi. Okay. This means the total area of the shaded circles, this one and that one, we are not including this one because this is not a circle, only these shaded regions within the circle, and the total area of that is 8 pi. Now, how shall we find the area of this region? To solve for this, we have the area of the total shaded. So we have area plus total shaded equals, no, wait, we make another indication. Total shaded, area of the total shaded region. Total shaded region, that would be area of the shaded circles plus area of the shaded region inside the square. So we'll just put there SS. Now, what is the area of the total area of the shaded regions? That one is 8 pi. Plus this area. What is this area? How shall we find this? We know that the area or the shaded area is just the difference between the area of the square minus the area of the unshaded region of the circle. Or in other words, we have that is equivalent to the area of the square is 16. And the area of the circles, this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is equal to one full unshaded circle is, we have 4 pi. So that would now be equal to 8 8 pi minus 4 pi is 4 pi plus 16. Factoring, we have the common factor is 4, so 4 times pi plus 4. So this is the answer. This is the total area of the shaded regions, meaning this area plus this area plus this area plus this area and plus this area. It is equal to 4 times pi plus 4. So I hope that's clear to you guys, and please follow and like to support my channel. Thank you.